It's actually raining. So I put the seaweed meal down on the asparagus, so this will wash it in hopefully and see if there's any benefit to the crowns. I've already sown some carrots and Doug weeded the other ones, and I was going to spray the fruit trees because they've been hammered with the insects, but that's out of the window now. So I'll have a quick walk down the garden, see what's growing. The replanted bed of asparagus is really growing well. I've got the perennial onions away. I've just ordered some more. And the Welsh onions have been planted. The rhubarb, that's great. I weeded these yesterday, these Bridget's sprouts I think. There's quite a few asparagus growing there. Got a few French beans saved. I'm just going to, I think I'm going to dig them raspberries up the field completely. Yeah, quite pleased with everything.